Frustrated by the Pdd Library DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. Before we get into the technical process for Pdd Library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Pdd Library. The physical device driver, Pdd Library, is a specialized component used to bridge software calls to specific hardware interfaces. In consumer software, it is often part of Acid Music Studio. In system environments, it manages low-level display drivers. Missing this file prevents the host software from communicating with hardware sensors or output devices. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Pdd Library DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Pdd library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Since the reboot didn't fix the graphics glitch, we need to perform a clean handshake between your driver and the OS, so you should use Display Driver Uninstaller to purge your current GPU software. After the cleanup is finished, download the newest drivers from NVIDIA or AMD to ensure that your DLL file is properly integrated into the graphics stack. Why are we doing this? Well, standard updates often fail to clear deep-level registry conflicts, and this deep clean removes those barriers to allow for a successful file sync. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Pdd Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. Return to your project with a more stable environment by reviewing the maintenance-related resource linked below for Pdd library references. To support our technical team and receive updates on Pdd library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.